Hello, here's the dimmer knob. You can slide it to adjust the display brightness from 0 to 100%, depending on your personal preference. Press and hold the time set button for 3 seconds to enter time setting. The hour flash. Rotate the biggest button to set hours. Remember to notice the AM and PM. Then press the time set button to enter minute setting. The minutes flash. Rotate to set minutes. Press again to enter day of week setting. The someday flash. Rotate to choose. Finally, press again to save your settings. Press and hold the Alarm 1 button for 3 seconds to enter Alarm 1 setting. The hour flash. Rotate the biggest button to set hours. Then press the Alarm 1 button to enter minute setting. The minute flash. Rotate to set minutes. Press again to enter alarm sound setting. The number 1 flash. Rotate to choose from 1 to 6 alarm sound. The 6th one is FM radio. Finally, press again to save your settings. Use the top volume button to adjust the alarm volume from 3 to 16 level. Select the wake-up date mode to choose from 3 ways: Monday through Sunday, Monday through Friday, and Saturday through Sunday. Alarm 1 and Alarm 2 are setting in the same way. When the Alarm 1 goes off, tap the snooze button for extra 9-minute nap. To cancel the snooze or turn off the alarm for the day, press Alarm 1 button. The Alarm 1 will go off again at the same time the next day. Firstly, please fully extend the FM wire antenna and vary the direction for the best FM reception. Then press the radio button to enter FM radio mode, and press and hold the radio button for 2 seconds to alter scan and save the channels. Finally, rotate the biggest button to enjoy your favorite channel. When radio is on, rotate the biggest button to select radio channels you like. Then press and hold the biggest button until icon AL blinks once. Then save this channel as the 6th alarm ringtone. When radio is on, press the sleep button to enter FM timing mode. Then rotate the biggest button to set the FM timing from 10 to 150 minutes. Press again to confirm. Use a 3.5mm handphone or earphone to listen to your favorite stations.